Hello, Zenia.
Hello, Notch.
You're not coming again. What happened?
You've not sent the money for flight, oh. Me, I cannot enter road, oh. They are kidnapping people and bandits are on the road. I cannot risk my life, oh. Fine girl like me, they come and use me to do.
All right, no problem. I will send you money. I think it's 300k, Abby. I will send you money right away.
All right, no problem. What you think?
All right. See you.
I see you looking good, girl.
What I ordered versus what I got. In fact, this is what I ordered. Let's go.
Nigeria, they see you.
Wait. What's going on?
Come on now, don't be like that now. What happened?
I don't know what you're trying to do. I'm not here for this, oh.
Babe, which one you say you are not here for this? Me and you have been chatting for months now. And finally you are here. I've been waiting patiently for you to be here. And you are here now, you are telling me that you are not here for this. That's what I don't work about. Don't do this thing you are trying to do.
That's not why I came here, oh. I came here to rest and just free my head. I didn't come here for this, oh, please.
Babe, I paid 300,000 naira for your flight. It isn't a clear eye that you pay that kind of money.
Because of 300k? You want to stress me because of 300k? I can leave this room for you.
Now tell me, if your body begin to tongue, how you go take settle am?
Hey baby, how was your night?
My night was okay.
Hope you slept well.
I want to share something with you. You know we are flatmates now, and our light is about to finish. So we'll be buying another light, and light is 100,000 naira. So you are going to give me 50,000 naira, and we are going to pay service charge, and service charge is 200,000 naira. So you are going to give me 100,000 naira.
Wait, I don't understand. Is this why I'm here? No, is this why I left Benin all the way to come here?
You said you are here for vacation. Is that not what you said? Won't you pay for your vacation this thing?
I came here for you to pamper me and take care of me, and I also want to rest. Please, I will not take this rubbish.
Dissolve.